All right, guys, so we're gonna be talking about how much I made on YouTube for the first month.
I'm in the Ferrari of the American car. See right here? Super sport, guys, super sport.
Now, I really like making this type of videos, man, because I don't know what it is. Something about me and YouTube. I just really like how everything works, man. And I know a lot of you guys watching this video, you want to know this kind of stuff. So let's just get right into it. Now, before I show you guys the numbers that I'm looking at here, okay, let me just say that if you're interested in starting your own YouTube channel, the amount of money you make is going to depend heavily on what type of videos you're making, okay? My channel obviously is talking about like cars and advice, like kind of financially about credit, and really all of it is based around cars at the end. So because of my type of channel, okay, it does make a lot more per certain amount of views versus, like, let's say we're talking about another channel that was talking about like I don't know, maybe just like a daily vlog about your life or something. I believe those generally pay lower. And if we're talking about a channel that strictly talks about like finance and business and money, those channels are freaking balling, man. These guys are balling, especially the ones with a lot of views, because, you know, it all depends on the topic. All right, guys, so the first month on YouTube, all right, my channel made $358.90. So I started counting this from September 21st to October 21st, okay? And the reason is my channel actually got monetized on September 21st. So I just waited until the 21st of the next month and calculated the revenue between there. But if we were just going by the amount I made in the first month I got monetized, which is just September, which is technically just a few days, that is $171. So for the last 9 days in September, 171, and a month later from when I was monetized, $358. All right, guys, so the videos that contributed the most to this, as you can see here, starting with the first one, is the one I talked about my cost to own the car. And in that video I talked about car payments, insurance, oil change, all kinds of maintenance items. The reason that video is doing well is because I put so many items in one video, okay? You know, I didn't just tell people my payment, I told them maintenance and everything. And, you know, of course, YouTube is heavily dependent on watch time, so the more people watch, you know, percentage wise, YouTube recommends it more. So also, a lot of people are just interested in that kind of stuff, man. They want to compare for themselves to get an idea of what they might be paying. So anyways, the next video, and it's a big gap between that video and the first one, is the review I did on my Hyundai Genesis, which is the 60,000 mile review. I was basically talking about how the car held up, you know, quality wise and stuff. And I love that car, man. I actually have to make a video on that car. I've been putting it off for a while. That video, as you can see, it's second in line in terms of revenue. Then after that, it goes to the one where I was driving 125 miles per hour. And, you know, allegedly, because you guys know it's a green screen, so I wasn't really driving that fast. But anyway, guys, overall, that is not like a ton of money or anything, but I am really grateful for that, because I look at it as, okay, that $358 is $358 less I have to spend a month, I guess, towards the car payments and stuff. And, you know, this was my plan. You guys know that was my plan, because, you know, I plan to have this car for business and pleasure, and it's a pretty good feeling finally seeing a return for your hard work that you put in, you know, man. Anyway, guys, let me know what you think about these type of videos where I talk about how much I make on YouTube, and if other things. Do you want to see more of that? The reason I bring it is because I want you guys to kind of get a good idea of, you know, my financial situation versus this car, you know, for when making your own decisions. And you know, I remember when I was first looking for my car or looking at car YouTubers and stuff, I really like knowing this stuff. So you know, I like making videos on this stuff too. But ultimately, my plan, guys, I really want to make a video like this every month. I do want to report every single month to you guys how much I make on YouTube. And to be honest, right now I haven't seen any YouTuber that does this. You guys let me know if you do, but I haven't seen any YouTuber reporting every month how much they make. So it is going to be different on this channel. Every month is the plan, no matter how much I make, whether it's like 1 cent or $1,000 or $300, it doesn't matter. If maybe this is your first time on this channel and this is something you want to see, you know, definitely stay subscribed. You will see that. I'll probably have a playlist on my channel specifically talking about like revenue and income. I do have some other playlists on my channel right now, so you guys can check that out. That is going to be it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, because without you watching, I would not have been able to make any of this money. So really appreciate it, man. And I'll see you guys in the next one.
I'm in the Ferrari of the American car. See right here? Super sport, guys. Super sport.
Nice. I'd still smoke you on my bike.